Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English The Topper's Choice. In this video, we are going to discuss multiple choice questions of class 12th 7th story from Vistas, Evans, Tries and O-Level. Here we go. Question number 1. Name the author of this lesson. Options are William Blake, Sir Johnson, H.L. Hegde or Norman Colin Dexter. And the correct answer is Norman Colin Dexter. Question number 2. Why did Evans decide to take the O-level exam? Options are to keep his hat on his head, to study, to add to his academics, or to plan an escape from the prison. And the right answer is to plan an escape from the prison. Question number 3. What kind of a person was Evans? Options are kleptomaniac, pleasing personality and a tendency to mislead, stealing habit, all these. And the correct answer is all these. Question number 4. Why was Evans called Evans the Brick? And the options are because of his pleasing personality, because he keeps hat on his head, for escaping from prison thrice, or all these. And the right answer is for escaping from prison thrice. Question number 5. Why did Evans drape a blanket around his shoulder? Options are to conceal his efforts of changing dress to look like McLeary, because he was feeling cold, to hide himself from the police, or all these. And the right answer is to conceal his efforts of changing dress to look like McLeary. Question number 6. What two purposes did the correction slip serve? And the options are to give correct name of hotel to Evans and exact date and time of exam to Evans, to help Evans escape, to inform Evans' gang his plan of escape, all these. And the right answer is to give correct name of hotel to Evans and exact date and time of exam to Evans. Question number 7. How did Evans escape from the jail? Options are by jumping the wall, by befooling the watchman, his friend prison officer released him, or all. And the right answer is his friend prison officer released him. Question number 8. What is Norman Colin Dexter known for? Options are for his writings, for his poems, for his plays, or for his Inspector Morse series of novels. And the right answer is for his Inspector Morse series of novels. Question number 9. When was for his Inspector Morse series of novels written? Options are between 1975 to 1999, between 1975 to 1998, between 1975 to 1997, or between 1975 to 1994. And the correct answer is between 1975 to 1999. Next, question number 10. Who ordered Evans to take off his hat? And the options are Jackson, Stephens, the governor, or none. And the right answer is Jackson. Question number 11. Why was the governor not ready to take risk? Options are to bring a good name, to stop Evans from taking exam, to avoid any bad name, or none. And the right answer is to avoid any bad name. Question number 12. Who checked the cell thoroughly? Options are the police, the governor, Jackson and Stephens, or Stephens. And the right answer is Jackson and Stephens. Question number 13. Why did Evans request not to take off his hat? And the options are he was feeling cold, to give a smart look, he loved to wear, or Evans considered it lucky for himself. And the right answer is Evans considered it lucky for himself. Question number 14. Why couldn't Stephens identify Evans' trick? Options are because he was not trained, he was a new recruit, he was not experienced, or none. And the right answer is he was a new recruit. Question number 15. How could Evans' plan of escape become a success? Options are because of his wits, because he keeps his hat on his head, because he was cunning, or all. And the right option is because of his wits. Question number 16. Who was Carter? Options are a policeman, watchman, detective superintendent, or none. And the right answer is detective superintendent. Question number 17. Who arrived first on the scene after Stephen found McLeary? Options are Jackson, Stephens, Detective Superintendent Carter, or none. And the right answer is Detective Superintendent Carter. Next, question number 18. Who did Stephen actually catch? Options are McLeary, Evans, a thief, or all. And the right answer is McLeary. Question number 19. Who was McLeary? Options are Evans' friend, policeman, inspector, or the invigilator who had been appointed by the governor to invigilate. And the right answer is the invigilator who had been appointed by the governor to invigilate. Next, question number 20. How did Evans outwit the governor? And the options are by taking exam, by putting his hat, by keeping a letter, or by escaping again. And the right answer is by escaping again. Question number 21. How was the governor able to locate Evans? Options are by putting together 6 figures, by decoding, with the help of Ordnance Survey map of Oxfordshire, or all these. And the right answer is all these. Question number 22. Where was Evans located? Options are in the Middle East, in Japan, in the middle of Chipping Norton, or none. And the correct answer is in the middle of Chipping Norton. Question number 23. From where did they find the name of the hotel where Evans was staying? Options are from the police, from the people, secret agent, or from the correction slip. And the right answer is from the correction slip. Question number 24. What was the name of the hotel where Evans was staying? Options are Palampura, the Golden Palms, the Golden Era, or the Golden Lion. And the right answer is the Golden Lion. Question number 25. What aided Evans' arrest? Options are his friends, his gang, secret agents, or the clues Evans left. And the right answer is the clues Evans left. Question number 26. Where were the clues left? And the options are on the table, in the cell, on the mobile, or on the question paper. And the right answer is on the question paper. Question number 27. Why did Evans clip his hair short? Options are to aid his escape plan and to pass off as McClure later. He was feeling hot. To give modern look, or to give a young look. And the correct answer is to aid his escape plan and to pass off as McClure later. Question number 28. What was the purpose of the second call? The options are to take away Stephen so that Evans could give final touches to his makeup, to give time to Evans to run, to befool Stephen and Jack, or none. And the right answer is to take away Stephen so that Evans could give final touches to his makeup. Question number 29. From whom did the governor receive the first call? And the options are Assistant Secretary, Joint Secretary, Assistant Commissioner, or all. And the right answer is Assistant Secretary. Question number 30. How did the first call mislead the governor? And the options are by demanding prison van for a remand case where as it was needed for Evans' escape, by giving wrong information, by calling him to CM office, or none. And the right option is by demanding prison van for a remand case where as it was needed for Evans' escape. Next, question number 31. What did the governor want Carter to do? And the options are he wanted him to check Evans, he wanted him to go with Evans, he wanted him to accompany him, or he wanted him to accompany injured McClure. And the right answer is he wanted him to accompany injured McClure. Question number 32. What was there in the small brown suitcase that McClure carried? Options are sealed question papers, yellow invigilation form, special authentication card, or all these. And the right answer is all these. Question number 33. What information did the governor receive from the detective superintendent? And the options are McClure had spotted Evans, Evans was seen near Elsfield Way, chased Evans but lost him, or all these. And the right option is all these. Question number 34. What did the governor tell the secretary of the examination board? Options are Evans is a pleasing person, can imitate stars and was star of Christmas concert, was a kleptomaniac, or all these? And the right answer is all these. Question number 35. How can we say that Evans could not get through the O-level German examination? Options are: he is unable to understand even simple expression like Guten Glück. He didn't study, didn't attend any class, or was behind the bars. And the right option is he is unable to understand even simple expression like Guten Glück. Question number 36. Why was Evans keeping the hat on his head? Options are: to cheat, to avoid cold, to give a smart look, or to avoid being detected as he had clipped his hair short to look like McLeary. And the right answer is to avoid being detected as he had clipped his hair short to look like McLeary. Question number 37. What precautions did the authorities take to conduct the examination smoothly? Options are: the governor personally supervised security, Evans' cell was checked thoroughly, all belongings were taken away from Evans, the invigilator was frisked, and police officer was posted to keep a vigil, or all these? And the right answer is all these. Question number 38. Why was the invigilator frisked? And the options are: to ensure that he had no objectionable material with him, to check his true identity, to check if he was a real man, or none. And the right answer is to ensure that he had no objectionable material with him. Question number 39. What made Evans has his last laugh? Options are: his friend, a prison officer, opened his handcuffs and helped him to escape, Evans was locked up, Evans was released, or none. And the right answer is his friend, a prison officer, opened his handcuffs and helped him to escape. Question number 40. What should be the governor's plan to bring Evans back to prison from the hotel? Options are: he should have sent him by air, he should have sent him with more people, he himself should have traveled along, or none. And the right answer is he himself should have traveled along. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.